Suspect is traveling south on Sepulveda Boulevard. Responding code 3, over.
Roger that.
Lincoln 4.
1 Lincoln 4, go ahead.
We've got insurance in the area. We need some backup.
10-4. Requesting backup. Suspect is traveling west. Colorado Avenue, crossing pier. Respond code 3.
6, Iron 1097, join in pursuit.
Don't move.
Copy that.
I said don't move. Put
3
the
out of
gun
5, joining
down
pursuit.
now. Stay down. Down on your knees.
Bella gente che passerà. Bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Bella gente che passerà. Mi dirà che bel fiore.
Nothing new. Just waiting around, getting older, applying for jobs. All seems fine. We'll holler if I see anything.
Fill up your ammo, guys.
You, come with me.
Put your fucking hands up. This is the place.
Excellent, brothers.
Can you give me an ID on the driver?
Stand by.
1023.
We went in quiet like foxes, man. Pinche zorros.
Over
These
there.
fuckers are mobilizing. I can sense it. They're up to something.
Don't do anything stupid now.
137, joining pursuit.
Watch out. There's a guard.
Get the mines on.
1 Lincoln 4, I'm 1097, joining the pursuit.
1 Lincoln 4, copy that.
This guy is going to jail. Yeah, roger that.
Let's move. Cover me.
Take cover. FBI, Get down! 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 Colton's dead! Shield, down!
Man, you need to evacuate ASAP. Get us out of here. He got away. Go around and see if he shows up.
10-4. All units in the area, suspect has evaded. Suspect last seen near the Crenshaw district.
He's gone. We're ready to control. Over.
10-4. All units return patrol. Suspect last seen in the Crenshaw district. Units on scene, code 4. Further updates as available.
Okay, let's go. Go. Go.
This guy's crazy to be doing that out here.
Go. Go.
All units be advised, officers lost visual on suspect.
Suspect is going west on Century Boulevard, crossing La Brea. This guy is going to jail. Copy that.
Copy that. Any available unit in the Baldwin Hills area. Suspect is traveling northbound, crossing La Cienega.
Everything's fine, no visuals.
I'm gonna loop around and check the area, over.
Fire me, copy that. All units in the area, suspect has evaded. Suspect last seen on the 10 Anna freeway. Roger that.
This is the warehouse. Sounds like someone got here first. Command, we've reached the warehouse.
Position confirmed. Wolfpack, proceed into the cold zone.
Let's just get to a safe house.
Wellington 4.
1 Lincoln 4, go ahead.
Non-Lincoln off pursuit.
10-4. All units return to patrol. 4 with additional information as available.
We've entered the security room.
Now proceed to the records room and finish the job.
Everything is under control. Yes, sir. We're good. Go.
Dispatch, do you have an idea on the suspect?
Stand by. 1027 Watson warrant search in progress. Stand by additional details.
They've got tactical advantage. Get to cover.
Grenade! Grenade!
We need to get out of here immediately. We gotta get out of here.
Suspect is fleeing the scene! Suspect is fleeing the scene!
Lincoln 4, copy that. All units re-engage pursuit. Suspect is going east of Century Boulevard, crossing Crenshaw.
Yeah, I've lost visual on the suspect. I'm gonna look around a little more. This guy might be hiding somewhere.
1 Lincoln 4, copy that.